Manchanda of class 4th A. Teachers play an important role in a student's life. Today, on this Teachers' Day, I would like to share a thought. To teach is to touch, alive forever. A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill the love of learning. The teacher is a mentor who illuminates the lives of her students with her wisdom and knowledge. She nurtures and grooms them, showering her love and care, always willing to stand by them in times of difficulty. We wish all our teachers a very, very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, an outstanding academician, teacher, philosopher, and a great statesman. Dr. Radhakrishnan served as the first Vice President and second President of India. He is known for his remarkable contributions to the field of education. For his honorary achievements, he was conferred the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award, in the year 1954. There's an interesting anecdote about how September 5 came to be observed as Teachers' Day. After Dr. Radhakrishnan became president, some of his former students sought his permission to celebrate his birthday on September 5. Dr. Radhakrishnan politely declined and expressed his wish for it to be celebrated as Teachers' Day instead, in honor of the teaching fraternity.
Good morning, respected principal sir, respected teachers, and my dear friends. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us the strength to forge ahead is our teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day to honor the gifted minds who work tirelessly to enrich us. Let us welcome all the teachers with a big round of applause. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to appreciate our teachers for their invaluable contribution in shaping our lives. Quoting some great minds, teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for me. APJ Abdul Kalam. A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops. Those who educate children well are more to be honored than parents, for these only give life those the art of living well. Aristotle. A mentor empowers a person to see a possible future. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
गुरु गोविंद बहु खरे काको लागू पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद योग बताए। सुप्रभात आदरणीय शिक्षकों व मेरे प्यारे मित्रों, मैं रनक जैन कक्षा चौथी अ का छात्र आज आपको एक कहानी सुनाने वाला हूँ। कबीरदास जी की ये पंक्तियाँ हर काल में सार्थक है। गुरु को सम्मान देना निराश होके वो वन में चला गया। कुटिया में रहने लगा। उसने पत्थर के द्रोणाचार्य की एक मूर्ति बनाई। उनको ही गुरु समझकर धनुर विद्या सीखने लगा और सफल हो गया। एक दिन द्रोणाचार्य पांडवों के साथ उसी वन में आए। उनके कुत्ते के भौंकने से एकलव्य का ध्यान बट गया। उसने बांटों से कुत्ते का मुंह बंद कर दिया। गुरु द्रोणाचार्य और पांडव हैरान रह गए। गुरु द्रोणाचार्य अपनी मूर्ति को गुरु बनाते हुए टेकर हैरान हो गए, क्योंकि वो अर्जुन को ही सबसे बड़ा तीरंदाज मानते थे। इसीलिए उन्हें एकलव्य से गुरु दक्षिणा में एक दाएं हाथ का अंगूठा मांगा। एकलव्य ने खुशी खुशी अपने दाएं हाथ का अंगूठा दे दिया। आज भी एकलव्य की गुरु भक्ति की मिसाल है। इस कहानी से हमें ये सीख मिलती है, हमें अपने गुरु का सम्मान करना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो सोनार है जो शिष्य को सोना बना दे। धन्यवाद।
Morning, respected teachers. Wishing you all happy Teachers Day. Today I, Suvidya Gulyani from class 4th A, will recite a poem on Teachers Day. The title of my poem is Thank You Teacher. Every day you greet the students with a smile upon your face. Though paperwork the night before seemed like a cooling is, money is not your motivation, it's love for what you do. You hear the special calling to which you always remain true. Your students are your dedication, devotion is to them. To you each child is unique and special like a beautiful little gem. Some days are just demanding and frustration takes its course. Then you see those little faces, their inspiration is your force. Each day you are in classroom, remind you why you are there. Making difference in children's life with whom your heart you share. There is a special pride in teachers and a love for what you do. Appreciation always shared between those little lives and you. Thank you.
I, Rani Kesing of class 4A, extend my heartfelt greetings to all of my teachers and elders. Today, on the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I am going to dedicate a Guru Vandana in the honor of all my teachers.
दिलाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु